Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sync your Booking.com and Airbnb calendars. First, we start with Airbnb. Log in to your Airbnb hosting account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to your calendar. Select the listing you want to sync. Now look for pricing and availability, then find Calendar Sync. Click on Export Calendar. You will see a link appear. This is your iCal URL. Copy this link because you will need it in the next step. Now go to Booking.com. Log into your Booking.com extranet. From the main menu, click on Rates and Availability. Then select Sync Calendars. Look for the option that says Add Calendar Connection and click on it. A new window will appear. Paste the Airbnb iCal link you copied earlier. Give it a name so you can recognize it later. Then click Save to complete the connection. Next, we will do the reverse. Still in Booking.com, stay in the Sync Calendar section. This time, click on Export Calendar. Copy the Booking.com iCal link that is shown. Now go back to Airbnb. Open your calendar again and find Sync Calendars. Click on Import Calendar. Paste the Booking.com link into the field. Then, click Import to finish the setup. Your calendars are now connected. Changes made on one platform will update on the other. Thanks for watching.